All right, eager students, this is 1.4, All Life Grows and Develops. All right, so let's take a look at growth and development by starting with growth. And what growth really means is adding living material. Or if you want to, you can think of it as just getting bigger. All right, now there's two ways that living things grow. All right, the first is that you can add new cells. So you and I as multicellular organisms, we've done this quite a lot. So we all started out as one cell and we're now about 100 trillion cells. So we've definitely grown. The other way organisms can do this is that the existing cells they have can get bigger. And most organisms do this as well. A good example of that for us would be our muscles. For example, by the time you're an adult, you're pretty much set with the number of muscle cells you have. But that doesn't mean your muscles can't still grow, because as you work out, lift weights, do resistance training, each individual muscle cell actually adds mass to it, and so you get the overall effect of muscles growing and getting bigger. Okay, in contrast to growth, this part doesn't actually require things getting bigger. This requires things changing, and that's development, and all living things do this as well. Simplest definition for development is a cycle of change, and an extreme example of a cycle of change would be metamorphosis in a caterpillar. So if you take a look at this image here, we've got a caterpillar on the left. It pupates, turns into a cocoon. Its body drastically changes, emerges as a butterfly, which is quite different from its original form. Now, closely related to both growth and development is the concept of aging. And a lot of people think aging just means getting older, but that's not exactly what aging means. It actually means becoming less efficient at life processes. So those things that life does, when you age, you just become a little less good at them. So it is possible to grow older without actually aging if your body's efficiency process stays the same. All right, join us next for 1.5, All Life Obtains and Uses Energy.